Okay, today on Dope Smells, we got a little 4-in-1 combo here for you, and you're about to find out why. So what do these Wizards products smell like? Let's find out. First up, Wizards Mist and Shine. Oh, that smells good. It smells very almond cherry sort of smell, but like strong and very like kind of a candy, fresh, like there's a sharp sort of ness to it, like, but it's that strong almond cherry slash whatever scent. Next up, Wizards Tire and Vinyl Shine. Let's check this out. Cherry almond sort of smell, a little less strong, a little less candy-ish, but still there. How about Wizards Power Clean? It's even less so here, but a bit of a cherry almond smell. Distinctly less distinct, if that makes sense. Get back on there. Now, final test here, Wizards Mystic Spray Wax. The camera's getting heavy. What do you know? Cherry almond scent. Now, I'm not sure what to make of this. I have actually thought before, like, what would it be like if you had a whole line of products that had a good smell and they all smelled the same? So you didn't have to like worry about it. You know, you didn't have to be like, oh, well, I like this butter, or not butter. I was looking at the butter wet wax, beaker banana scent. You know, like what if you know, this one's banana, and like I like that product, but I don't like banana smelt words. You know, but I don't like banana, or I don't like cherry, or I don't like bubbly. Like, you know, I've thought about that. Like, what if that's the case, and you just made a whole line of products that all just smell the same? Just to remove that from the equation. And I guess here you go. Here's the answer to that question. If you're really in love with that smell, and I mean, I can't say I'm not. I do dig that smell. This might be the line of products for you, because this all smells kind of an almond cherry scent, sort of like, what was it, Griot Speed Shine, Optimum No Rinse has that sort of smell. And I think I know what it is. I think it's benzaldehyde. I've watched enough Nile Red videos that I think that's what that scent is. So I think they've just added the same scent to all of them to varying degrees of success. But maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I'm not sure. I guess, you know, here's your information. Here's what it smells like. You figure it out. I guess if you like it, buy it. If not, well, there's a lot of products out there, but all Wizards products that I've tested so far, almond cherry, benzaldehyde sort of scent. And that's it.